Why biodiversity matters. The web of life. Ever wonder why some forests thrive while others struggle? The answer often lies in biodiversity, the incredible variety of life on Earth. It's more than just a numbers game. It's the foundation of healthy ecosystems. Biodiversity encompasses all living things, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales. It includes the genetic differences within species, the variety of species themselves, and the different ecosystems they form. Think of it as the intricate tapestry of life. This tapestry is woven from countless threads, each representing a unique organism. The strength and resilience of the tapestry depend on the diversity of these threads. A richer tapestry is more resistant to tears and damage. Biodiversity is crucial for maintaining stable and resilient ecosystems. A diverse ecosystem is better equipped to withstand environmental changes, such as climate change, pollution, and disease outbreaks. It's like having a diverse investment portfolio. If one investment fails, the others can compensate. Different species play different roles in an ecosystem. Some are primary producers, like plants, converting sunlight into energy. Others are consumers, eating plants or other animals. Decomposers break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the system. Biodiversity provides us with essential ecosystem services. These are the benefits that humans derive from healthy ecosystems. These services are often taken for granted, but they are vital for our survival and well-being. These services include clean air and water, pollination of crops, regulation of climate, and control of pests and diseases. Forests, for example, filter water, absorb carbon dioxide, and provide habitat for countless species. Without biodiversity, these services would be severely compromised. Unfortunately, biodiversity is under threat worldwide. Habitat loss, pollution, climate change, overexploitation of resources, and invasive species are all contributing to the decline of biodiversity. These threats are interconnected and often exacerbate each other. Deforestation, for example, destroys habitats and releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Pollution contaminates water sources and harms aquatic life. Invasive species can outcompete native species, disrupting ecosystems. Protecting biodiversity is essential for our own survival and the health of the planet. There are many things we can do to help conserve biodiversity, from individual actions to government policies. Every effort, no matter how small, can make a difference. We can reduce our carbon footprint, support sustainable agriculture, protect natural habitats, and combat invasive species. We can also educate ourselves and others about the importance of biodiversity and advocate for policies that protect it. Biodiversity is the foundation of healthy ecosystems and provides us with essential services. Its decline poses a serious threat to our well-being and the future of the planet. Now is the time to act. Learn more about local conservation efforts in your area and get involved. Support organizations dedicated to protecting biodiversity. Share this video with your friends and family to raise awareness. Together, we can make a difference and protect the incredible web of life for generations to come. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on environmental issues and how you can help.